Today, we are changing the spark plug on a Honda GX390 engine. Make sure your engine is off before starting. Here is the location of the spark plug. Remove the cap and use your 13/16 socket to remove the spark plug. The part number for the spark plug is 98079-55845. The spark plug will twist out. Install the new spark plug by threading until hand tight. Then tighten to 17.7 foot-pounds. After tightening, reinstall the spark plug cap and you're good to go. For more information, visit ai-engines.com.